Hi, this is Tim Novak with LearnBuildProfit.com. Today I'm going to show you how to insert an ad unit into your article when you are using Elementor Page Builder with the WordPress platform. Okay, let's dig in. It's actually a very easy process. You just go into your Google AdSense account. You want to click on Ads, Add Units, and then New Ad Unit up at the top here. Now it'll give you it gives you three options: text and display ads, in-feed ads, and in-article ads. Today I'm going to show you how to place the in-article ads. So you want to select that, name your ad unit 1. I don't mess with any of the other things. You can style it, change your text, whatever you want to do. The only thing I do, I leave it alone how it is because I like the white background because it blends in with the site better. And then all you do is go to the bottom, save and get code, copy the script here. Now that we got our script from Google AdSense, we're going to find a post to throw it in. So I am going to, should you be using an email template? Let's go ahead and click Edit with Elementor. So here we are in the Elementor Edit section, and what you're going to want to do is AdSense recommends putting it below the second paragraph. I'm going to put it below the third on this one because the paragraphs are very short. The idea being that most people only scroll down a little bit on your page, and then if the content isn't interesting, they click off. So the theory is they're going to read some of your content, and if it's not really for them, they'll be looking directly at a Google AdSense ad. So maybe they'll be more apt to click it. All right, so let's go ahead and try to put that right below there, right between the more sales you make. So in order to do that, we need to click on it, go over in the editor on the left-hand side, go into text, and then now we need to find it. So I'm going to do a Control F and type in sales you make. As you can see, it'll highlight it here, and it also highlights it for me in the text, and that's exactly where I want to place my code. I always put it right between the div tags. It works out perfect this way. So I'm just going to right click, paste our code, go up here. I always click visual to kind of set it. As you'll see, a little space there is opened up. Don't worry, that's where an ad's going to go. It's not going to be that way on your website. So we're going to go ahead and click update. Once it updates, let's go ahead and go to the page, see what we can see. Now Google AdSense says it can take up to 20 minutes to do this. Usually it's done within 15 to 30 seconds. So we'll see how friendly Google wants to treat me today. Oh, it's already in there. As you can see, it already populated. It usually have to come in here and refresh it. But we'll just go ahead and refresh again. And as you can see, right below the third paragraph, there's an ad. And see how nice it fits in with the site? I mean, it matches perfect. That's what I really like about this. So, like I said before, if somebody wants to start reading, they start reading here and they say, oh, this isn't what I wanted. But then they see this. Do you use software? Get a $10 Amazon gift card. Yeah, I'd love a $10 gift card. And they go ahead and click off it. I obviously can't do it because I'll get in trouble. So yeah. So okay, as you guys can see, that's pretty much it. It's very easy to do. Yeah, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'd like to ask you to like, throw me a comment below, and subscribe if this video has helped you. I'm going to be putting on a lot more videos that are short like this that help you do things that people wouldn't normally know how to do going into something. So again, thank you very much. You can follow me on Instagram at Tim Novak on the gram, on Pinterest at Tim Novak LBP. I would put Facebook on here, but I hate them right now, so I'm not going to be putting them on anything in the foreseeable future. So again, thanks for watching. See you soon.